Okay, welcome to this week's project. It's been something I haven't done in a while, on camera anyway. Today I'm going to be making some pen blanks. I've got a mix of elm burrs and oak burrs here. It's oak in here, a couple of elms and another couple of oaks. And the colours that I'm going to be doing are blue, white, green Pearlex, those both are Pearlexes, and these are aluminite dyes. So the biggest quantity will be the blue, and the smallest quantities will be the white and the green and the blue. They'll probably be about equal actually in those. I'm using some silicone pots and some just normal plastic ones. The resin I'm using is the amazing clear cast, and you can get this at Metal Clays. And we're just going to put it into a time lapse, and we'll get these made up. I should take you through the process that I do with once I've got them made up. We'll demould them tomorrow and then we'll get them cut up. And I usually put like a lacquer. Once I cut them up, I sand them and put a lacquer on them just to finish them off a bit. So anyway, we'll get going. It'll be in time lapse because it'll be a bit boring for you otherwise. And hope you enjoy.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
Okay, next day now. Just taking these out of the pressure pot. The bits of HDPE I used on the top, I just give a hammer off. Now these won't be fully cured today. You couldn't turn these. I'll be able to cut them, but you wouldn't turn them today. It's a bit too early yet. I'll put a link into where I get the moulds. These moulds are brilliant. It's penblanksandmoulds.co.uk. And these are little ones, and I did all these the same colour because they were just very popular. So I should take those out to the shed now and get them cut up. I'm hoping there should be 20mm blanks out of that, 19 to 20mm. So the next thing I'll go and do is I'll go and cut them on the bandsaw, and then I shall go and sand them, and that'll be them done really. I tried to get them as close to 20mm per pen, but it doesn't always work out. It's not particularly accurate, the bandsaw. So anyway, we'll go and cut them up, and then we'll come back and have a look what they look like inside. Okay, welcome back. That's all the blanks demoulded, cut, whatever, sanded and made nice and shiny. That's the elm ones. This is the oak ones. was really pleased how they came out. I love this. I love the green in it. I don't know, it's just got a really nice look about it. So that's, let me find one side. So that's them all done, cleaned up. They will be, by the time this video goes out, they will already have been up on Etsy. It's been quite a popular colour, the greens with the blues and the touch of white. So yeah, I shall get them back up. You'll notice that I think I left the resin, it was just 30 Celsius by the time I poured it into the moulds. I left it for that while so that it didn't mix too much, and I find that I get a nice swirl with that, because I quite like the spread of the colour throughout it. So and that took probably, I think it was about 45 minutes before I actually got up to that temperature and poured it. And then I put it in the pressure pot at about 50, I think it was 60 actually. I put it in overnight. So that's me. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks very much for watching.